Alright, well, we just removed this air box here, and this is what we found. This is the this is your PCV valve down here. This is the vent line that comes in from the valve cover. And then the other end of the PCV valve was blocked off with a bolt, so the crankcase couldn't breathe at all. So what we ended up doing was taking the bolt out. We put a 1/4 inch T in here where the pair valve used to come off of, and we teed that in so that way the PCV valve just vents straight into the intake. The other part of the T here was for the transmission vent that's wasn't hooked up to anything, so that is just going to tie right into the same line that's going into the air box, into the intake.
Okay, so this is going to resolve the issue then.
Yeah, and also keep this filtered and keep water out of the transmission.
Okay, so now you guys have that. This will help resolve the issue that we found here. All right, thanks.